Hi guys, good day to all of you. I'm here to make a demo of how to edit the Fire and Emergency Evacuation Policy that we have just bought from Etsy. It is the original files here. As you can see, it has all the items that we need. It has the purpose. All of the text that are in bold letters can be editable. You can change it with your company name, employer's name, or the employee's name. Whatever it is you need to put in it are in here. All in bold letters so that you can identify them. You are going to enter those letters, those names in this policy. So this is a 6-page Fire and Emergency Evacuation Policy. This is in PDF. I already downloaded it. So let's start. We're here now on the evacuation diagram store and Etsy. You can see here that this is the first page, and he has good ratings and review here. I purchased the Canva templates here for my Airbnb. They have so many items here, all evacuation diagram. For now, I will teach you how to edit the Fire and Emergency Evacuation Policy. Here it is. It says here, logo can be replaced, all text can be editable, and it can be printed at home. It is a 6-page Fire and Emergency Evacuation Policy that is downloadable and editable in Canva. I'm going to add this to cart so that I can purchase it. Upon purchase, this is what they have sent me. It is a PDF file. I downloaded it, and then when you open this one, you will see there the 2-page PDF. It says here, please make a copy before making any edits or modification on the original templates to save it as your own. There is also a YouTube video which you are watching now. When you click that, it will take you to the YouTube to watch this video on how to edit this diagram. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click this. So here is the editable Canva templates. So just like the information we just have read, it says here try Canva Pro. We don't need that because we are just editing this one. Our template, we don't need the Canva Pro. This one is my account, so I'm sure this is my copy. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to create or make a new copy of this and save it as my own. Now, I'm going to save the file. I'm going to rename it so that I know where is my file. I will put it here, my copy of Fire Policy. Save. So here it is. It is in my copy now. So all of these designs are edited. I will click here in the upper part of the screen to edit the design. And here, as you can see, there are so many templates here. You can use all of this, and when you click that, the headings of your emergency policy will will be the design that you have chosen, like this one. You can choose to save this one or choose to pass and let the original design remain. I will undo it now. So here it is. You can also change the logo of your company. I will change this by clicking the logo, and then I will upload my logo here. Just click the upload, whatever logos you have. Then it says here upload an image. Then you can upload it and change the logo. As you can see now, we are now on the policy. You can edit those who are in bold letters. You can change the employee name here with your name, or your company. You can replace it with your own name and company. Like this one, I'm going to replace it with my name. So that's how easy it is, guys, to replace this, to edit the template that you have just purchased. Remember, guys, these bold letters in here, you can replace it with your company name, personal names, or your employees that are going to be responsible on certain duties that you are going to assign to them. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.